Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Aiuta AI Stylist application. So first of all, you need to install this app in your smartphone, then simply tap on the open button, then tap here get started, next, tap more time to next, then this is the upgrade, so not now. So you can see, like if you want to know, simply tap add new outfits, but you have to create your account. So I'm just going to create account with Google. You can try another other one. So continue as your name, then signing, then you can see here it's successfully created. So what you need to do, simply tap here try on. So you can see here there a pre-template. So if you choose anyone among them, then you will just upload your photos, then it will be okay. So I'm just going to tap outfits, add new outfits. So you can see here date or next button, take a photo or import from gallery. So you can take from gallery. So I upload a model picture. So now tap here preparing the stylist tips. So you can see that preparing according to your appearance. Just wait a second to get it. So you can change your outfit. You can see here add new tips. So okay, so first of all, formal, or you can get travel date or something else. This is good try on, so you have to choose